experiential learning is creating one experience, reflecting, thinking over it, then reaching something.
Dedicated to this Patiala regiment. Here, हम आपको वहाँ लेके नहीं गए. That is also an episode of this war. वो basically वो टैंक उन्हीं से related है. Okay? और पूछिए. Anything which comes in your mind. आइए. Let's proceed towards ma'am. जी डॉक्टर, ये वो लोग हैं जिनको गैलेंट्री अवार्ड मिला. गैलेंट्री is the name of a prestigious award in armed forces. Highest is Paramvir Chakra. Then आइए आगे चलें. वीर चक्र. Gallantry awards में there are different you can say medals are given. Paramvir Chakra, Veer Chakra, Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal. These are the medals in armed forces. Now that was simple. Thank you. To the power of energy, give me that power कि I should not detain myself from doing good job. निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो. I should decide and then win. और आपकी इज्जत की रक्षा करनी मुश्किल हो रही हो तो फिर एक ही निश्चय करिए. लड़ाई में चाहे मर जाइए, जूझ के मरिए, लेकिन जूझ मरो. Fight till your end. And believe me, this is the slogan of many heroes in our.
The dead bodies of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev here on this spot for an unceremonial cremation after chopping off the bodies inhumanly. Brigadier Dutt died in Delhi on 19 July 1965. As per his last will, he was also cremated here.
And all of you, Inqilab
The British era is one small part of the entire history, and the architecture is another very small part of that British era.
बीम यूज करते हैं ना आजकल लेंटर में, वो बीम नहीं है. जैसे वो उसको पिलर के ऊपर बीम होता है ना, तो वो बीम नहीं है. वो देखो गार्डर कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग है उसमें, आयरन के कितने ज़्यादा
देख सकते हैं.
चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों।
मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे, देश मेरी शान।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
आशिकों का आज जमघट कूचा एक कातिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना
अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
एक दिन दिखा देंगे आसमां कि क्या हमारे दिल में है, अभी से क्या बता दें कि क्या हमारे दिल में है। सरफरोशी
की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। देश मेरे, देश मेरे, मेरी जान है तू।
बसंती चोला मारे रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती।
Shahid Sukhdev belongs to the front rank of heroes martyred in the cause of national movement. He was born on 15th May 1907 in Nagar area near Old Fort, Ludhiana. The name of his father was Sri Ram Lal and his mother name was Matrali Devi. In his youth, he became a member of the Revolutionary Party. He was a close associate of Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad and Sardar Singh.
Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev on 3rd March 1931 in the central jail Lahore. Their mortal remains were hastily consigned to flames without proper ceremonies and were thrown into river Satluj. Here at Hussainiwala, he shall always be remembered as a national hero for his supreme sacrifice for the freedom of India. Inqilab
जिंदाबाद।